We're going to go again after kids fall. To your right. Go, Joey. To your right. Just doing some trees here. Joey through the trees. Look at that gorgeous view.
Pay attention. There's a jump right there.
Okay.
You want to take it on the other side?
Alright.
Or stop. Are you gonna jump? Okay, take a picture of Joey.
I'm going to take a picture of myself jumping. Need a zoom. That was a jump. That was Joey taking the jump. Okay, keep going. Follow you guys. There, Center Village. Han, Center Village. Go straight. Huh?
There's a photographer there. You can run it and take a look if you like it, and you can buy it. I'm gonna put my headset on.
This is the mountain up at Copper.
See the guy right there? Yeah. What are you gonna do? Huh? You gonna randomly take a picture? Yeah. I thought he asked you for a picture. No obligation. Oh.
Okay, I'm following you guys still.
Yeah, you have to stop up there and wait till you got a crowd of people and wave at me and I'll just shoot you. Come down one at a time, not close together.
Gotcha.
Here we go again. Here we go. That's it. Where are you going? In between the trees! In between the trees! Joey, in between the trees! Go in between! Go, 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 go! Go! Nice! So you know how to take the jumps now? Nice.
Out of